The Aam Aadmi Party effect is beginning to show on the Congress Party increasingly. Yesterday, it was Jairam Ramesh who said that all political parties need to sit up and take notice or they will be history. Today, the call for power subsidy in Mumbai gained momentum with Congress Party Member of Parliament Priya Dutt joining fellow MP Sanjay Nirupam in demanding a reduction in electricity tariff. Sources say the Congress Party is also seeking Rahul Gandhi's intervention in this matter. Priya Dutt raised this demand for reduced and uniform tariff for Mumbai and suburbs. In an exclusive interview to Headlines Today, Priya Dutt voiced her concerns as an Aam Mumbaikar. She also spoke of the concerns of the Aam Aadmi in Mumbai.
We'll call it the Aam Aadmi Party effect or political parties waking up to the Aam Aadmi cause. There's a spree of leaders who are demanding certain, they are taking up issues related to the Aam Aadmi. In Mumbai, after MP Sanjay Nirupam, it's another Congress MP from Mumbai, another member of the Rahul Gandhi Young Brigade, Priya Dutt, who is fighting for the cause of power tariffs in Mumbai. I have with me Priya Dutt. Let's ask Priya, thanks a lot for talking to Headlines Today. What is the demand that you're making about power tariffs in Mumbai?
I'm going to start with again talking about the Aam Aadmi as you mentioned, and I wanted to say that the phrase Aam Aadmi was coined by Congress Party and it has always been a Congress Party slogan, "Ye Congress ka haath Aam Aadmi ke saath." So we have always fought for the cause of the common man, and many times have to fight our own government when we have to voice the anguish of the people we represent. So we had a very similar morcha, which is nothing new. We had a similar morcha about 2.5, 3 years back, when the suburbs didn't have a choice. You know, we had Reliance Energy, and the tariffs and the bills were going haywire. It was really people were in great anguish. A person living in a slum was paying up to 2,000 rupees where his electricity bill was concerned. So a big morcha had been taken 2.5, 3 years ago. And we had come down to reducing the fares at that time, as well as bringing in an option to people, like had happened in South Mumbai. Tata Energy had also come in, and people had a choice of shifting from whatever they wanted. So I think this is not something which we have just started doing. Once again, there have been huge demands from the people, from the local people, that and people are concerned about this sudden hike of the electricity bills not, the meters not reading it correctly. So these are the issues we are going to be taking up, and that's the reason I have joined the morcha where Mr. Sanjay Nirupam has organized.
And Headlines Today's Kamlesh Sutar now joins me for more on this story. Kamlesh, what is the Congress Party's strategy? More than the Shiv Sena or the BJP, they seem to be concerned about the rise of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, certainly, Gaurav, if we talk specifically about Mumbai and the kind of urban voters that are in Mumbai, the way Aam Aadmi Party started working in Delhi after they came into power in Delhi, it certainly concerns, because Mumbai, it seems, has a lot of common voter, middle class voters, and the strategy, it seems, is to go out and appeal to the common voters and take up issues like the one raised by Sanjay Nirupam and now supported by Priya Dutt, talking about power tariffs, talking about the basic necessities of the common man in Mumbai. They want to come up with an image of the leaders of the common man. Mumbai being the biggest city with the biggest middle class and having a list of problems. It seems that Congress MPs in Mumbai, it seems to be an agenda they are working on to reach out to people, be amongst the people and talk about the issue they are concerned with daily. Priya Dutt's stance comes just out of that. Priya Dutt's constituency or Sanjay Nirupam's constituency, if we see, largely comprises of middle class and slum voters. If a party like Aam Aadmi Party makes its base in Mumbai, which we see happening in next few days, Aam Aadmi Party wants to aggressively contest the polls in Mumbai and rest of Maharashtra. That would be the biggest threat, and if they don't come up with a plan of talking about the common man, of the Aam Aadmi in Mumbai, the common Mumbaikar, they know that there is a danger that looms large on the party of losing its voter base in the middle class. So Priya Dutt's stance just comes out of that.
Okay, now how are people in Mumbai reacting to the Congress party? First it was Sanjay Nirupam and now Priya Dutt talking about the issue of electricity and bringing down tariff. Do they see this as a genuine effort, or do they just see this as a desperate measure to counter the Aam Aadmi Party just before elections?
Well, Gaurav, how common Mumbaikars respond to the stance taken by these two Congress MPs will only be known when they actually take to the streets. But parties have been talking about it. The Congress is talking about it. As Priya Dutt also mentioned in her interview to Headlines today, she said that they have been taking up this issue for the last 3 years. But when it actually comes down on the ground, when that is on the 13th of January, when Sanjay Nirupam and Priya Dutt will lead a big agitation for the cut in tariff price, will be known whether they are genuine. But we have seen a voice of protest from the Chief Minister himself. Maharashtra Chief Minister said he agrees with the demand, but the state government has been considering this demand for last 1 month. It's on the 19th of November that the state government has already started working on a proposal which was headed by Industries Minister Narayan Rane. So if people actually come out, the kind of response that Priya Dutt and Sanjay Nirupam will garner will actually tell whether people actually have bought this theory of Congress party to come up and stand for the Aam Aadmi of Mumbaikar, asking for a cut in the power tariffs in Mumbai. That will be it will be known only then.
For the moment, Kamlesh Sutar, many thanks for joining me.